Ni suwengpa sakanti ko Don Bosco Media Network ko narum chaksoa anga Alicia A sangma na simang na dali Koborrang ko parakatenga kata bichongrang Meghalaya TMC party ni gitan memberang ko parakatanga Meghalaya Regulation of Gaming Act hazagni kuguksa kuragala Meghalaya Festival ko report district ko apachangata jungpa Koborrang Bristibaro Meghalaya Trinamool Congress na Daniel Karshan ni Vicky Mauri aru wamang baksasa kholachi mandirang ni partiyo na pani ko kusyong ejilma na parakatanga wamang TMC President Charles Pengrove Vice President George Lingdo aru James Lingdo ni dongpaan yo partiyo na pa Daniel Karshan ni United Hindu Tribe Movement UHM ni Vice President ong angachim aru Vicky Mauri UHM ni Education Secretary ong angapachim
Number of youths who are from different social organizations have come to join with us to work together and to bring a change in our society, in our political scenario, especially taking into consideration the elections that are due in 2023. We decided to have only the leaders of the different organizations who cover most of the Kasi and Jaintia Hills region of the state to come and join with us and take the message forward that we want to be the change and they are willing to partner with us in our endeavor to do so.
Adok ni dengtang dolrang ni namne kija ko knacha ke James sangma ragal phutna gata butpar salo parakatang ha adok ko mangni ko aro khajina ko bariatna tari angpa bilsi taxation department Meghalaya Regulation of Gaming Act hazagni kurguksa ko James sangma ni delani chibuko tachim gapun adok pa asungoni ronari bak parang ko adok ko na bangbate rimna matna aro casino rang ko dengtang mancha wamang na thari na muksung anga hachim riang pa sarango adok ni mandirang ya ek ko namja e ragalani ko dakangha ni James sangma parakatangha anga adita mandirang kugrungaha jekai dengtang thurum ni dilgaparang NGO rang chadambe dorang nukmarang aru banga dorang kugrungaha ya grungani wamang ya ek ko jegalha aru ya ek ni namgija ko aganangha ni James sangma parakatang ko ha adita meeting rang aru gopurgani rang ni jaman ya ek ragale galo na adok na aru adok ni mandirang na nam Kupa ong ay ginok ani chanchi eya eko chukmag ragal siyang na mugsongaha ani James hangma aganangaha.
Dear friends, last year, with the aim of boosting tourism, revenue generation and employment for the people of our state, the Department of Taxation, Government of Meghalaya, introduced the Meghalaya Regulation of Gaming Act 2021 under my guidance. This act would legalize and regulate gaming in Meghalaya. Till that extent, introducing casinos meant for tourists only was considered as well. Over the months that followed, there were concerns expressed from parts of the society with regards to the scope and the impact of the act. I met with stakeholders that included religious organizations, non-governmental organizations, civil society representations, Dorbashnongs, autonomous and local governance bodies, and youth organizations. During this process, I tried to understand the concerns of the public and the impact that the Act could have further on. Following such meetings and deliberations, it became clear to me that it is in the best interest of our state to completely scrap the Act, given that there could be untoward implications. Therefore, it will be my earnest endeavor to see that the Meghalaya Regulation of Gaming Act 2021 will be repealed. I would like to thank everyone who came forward to aid, advise and provide feedback to the government on the act. The citizenry are the keystone of any democracy, and it only strengthens our commitment to better governance when the collective conscience is addressed. Thank you once again. Kublai Shibun, Matela, Jai Hind.
October jain siktam thari koripoi district ni umtham songo changbonga pa Meghalaya festival hazagni khulni October jain siktam thari kuni chidok thari kono atinga ye festival lo asong dam so chet ni bai bakhura inga Meghalaya festival koripoi water sports and tourism cooperative society aro Meghalaya tourism department baksa nangre me ongatinga ye khalsusani ko chi ongatinga aro bakhura ga parang chi ko chonang na nanga ye festival ko ongatani muksungani ara Meghalaya ado ko chi khalsusani ko mungsong pa byap takna aro aphaloni mandirang ribae nichina gisik nangat na kham kha ani enga ni pharkatang ha
I'm from Mexico.
And I'm from Italy.
It's awesome here. I love it. I'm super happy to be in India and it's great.
Yeah, it's my first time too, and I'm enjoying it. I'm trying to reach as much people as I can and enjoy as much paddling as possible. I really love it.
Start didn't go according to what he planned, but he'll make up the time now. Got all the power. Go, Vikai!
Yan dal na Koborrang ni swing pasakan di kon matela.